Hello kababayan, how's everyone doing? Welcome to my blogs, and this is my first video for 2022. We are going to bake salmon, fast and very simple to make. So let's go and let's cook. Before we go to the kitchen, can I get one share and subscribe, and please don't forget to leave a comment below. Till then, let's go and let's cook this. Teaspoon of mayonnaise, teaspoon of tartar sauce, Let's bake the salmon. We need to bake this one for 10 minutes, 350 degrees. After 10 minutes, we're gonna broil it for 3 minutes to get a nice color. Oh yeah, not bad. It's called making it love with a big salmon. Hey guys, thanks for tuning once again. I hope you enjoyed this video. Easy weasy salmon recipe. Until next time, take care and God bless to each and every one of you.